Engine surging. Engine surging, also known as engine hunting or idle fluctuation, is a condition where the engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, oscillates or fluctuates repeatedly, usually at idle or low speeds. Instead of maintaining a steady RPM, the engine speed rises and falls in a rhythmic pattern, often accompanied by noticeable variations in engine sound or vibration. Several factors can contribute to engine surging. 1. Air intake issues. Problems with the air intake system, such as a dirty or clogged air filter, vacuum leaks, or a malfunctioning throttle position sensor, can disrupt the air-fuel mixture entering the engine, leading to surging. 2. Fuel delivery problems. Issues with the fuel system, such as a clogged fuel filter, failing fuel pump, or dirty fuel injectors, can result in inconsistent fuel delivery to the engine, causing surging behavior. 3. Ignition system malfunctions. Faulty ignition components, such as worn spark plugs, ignition coils, or ignition timing issues, can lead to irregular combustion cycles, contributing to engine surging. 4. Engine sensors. Malfunctioning engine sensors, such as the mass airflow sensor, MAF, oxygen sensor, or engine coolant temperature sensor, can provide inaccurate data to the engine control unit, ECU, leading to improper fuel and air mixture adjustments and surging. 5. Exhaust system problems. Restrictions or leaks in the exhaust system, such as a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust manifold gasket leaks, can affect engine back pressure and disrupt engine operation, resulting in surging. 6. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the engine's vacuum system, such as cracked hoses or intake manifold gasket leaks, can allow unmetered air to enter the engine, upsetting the air-fuel mixture and causing surging. 7. Throttle body issues. A dirty or malfunctioning throttle body can affect throttle plate movement and airflow, leading to surging at idle or low speeds. 8. Idle control valve malfunction. The idle air control valve, IACV, or idle speed control valve, ASCV, regulates idle speed by controlling airflow bypassing the throttle plate. A faulty or dirty IACV/ISCV can result in erratic idle speed and surging. Engine surging can affect drivability, fuel efficiency, and overall engine performance. If you experience engine surging, it's essential to have the vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and address the underlying cause. Ignoring engine surging can lead to further damage and increased emissions.